What it is, crew, we at the next destination here. Another one of the Dietrich properties, doing the inside of it. About to take a look in the inside. How y'all doing today anyway? Dietrich, you here?
Yes, sir.
What's going on with you, my brother?
What happened with you, man?
Not much, man. Everything good?
Yeah. You can see?
Yeah. So what we got going on here?
Man, everything wrong, man. Everything, man.
This the one that you took the picture with on Facebook with the thing broke?
Bomb.
Right there.
See that? Yeah.
So
Right
you gotta
there.
replace all that.
All that right there. When you replace it like this right here, you put that sleeve right there. You gonna stop the concrete, the lime, and whatever's in that concrete from eating up the steel.
Right.
You feel me? You stopping the lime. See, let me show you the thing right here, right?
Which room is this in we in right now?
It's the kitchen.
The kitchen we inside of.
Yeah. We're in the kitchen, right? So here.
How you been doing, by the way, anyway, man?
I've been doing good.
I know you be big.
Like, look, right? Check this out. See, this what the concrete does to the steel. See how it just choked
Put
it
it
out?
down a little bit in the light.
Oh,
Yeah.
you can see better right here. See how the concrete just choked out the steel right here?
Yeah.
It just choked out the steel, and all this right here was rusty, right? And see how wherever the concrete, see up here is kind of good, but where that concrete was at, that's
no
where
good.
it was all rusted at and
be a
stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's gonna be a problem. So that's why we had to fix this right here, and then I put the sleeve on there. So when I pour it back, you know what I'm saying, we won't have that problem.
Got you.
You feel me?
Put a
And now
protection
over
over
here, so now what happened over here was, as I'm taking down the ceiling, as you can see, the ceiling and everything was bad. You know, like, look behind you. You know, the ceiling was all bad. Ain't no insulation up here or nothing. You know, we're gonna put some insulation back in. You know,
This another one of your properties, correct?
yeah.
Okay.
So now, as I was over here taking down the ceiling, a piece of drywall ended up falling and basically tapped this pipe somewhere.
Right.
I don't know where, but it tapped the pipe and it started leaking. But check this out. Come in the light so you can see this pipe real good. See this right here? When you pull the pipe out of a joint, the whole thing is supposed to have solder on it. See that? I haven't sanded this or nothing. But see on this side right here, whoever the plumber is that did this, ain't no solder right here. See, this is, look, see the difference?
Oh yeah.
That's how a joint is that's how it's supposed to look when you solder something.
So basically they just put it in there.
They didn't clean the pipe all the way, you know what I'm saying? So that's why the solder couldn't melt. So this is how it's supposed to look. This is a good joint. You could hit this with a hammer. Anything could fall on it. You could rock it back and forth. This is a good joint. You know what I'm saying?
Got you.
Oh, like, see, so now this is the new piece of pipe that I'm gonna put in there, and you know, I make sure you clean the pipe properly. You know what I'm saying? Get it good and shiny so that it could bond, you know, with the other one. I was cleaning this one, and then down in here, come inside the that's a diverter for a shower. I don't know if you can see in there. But I still gotta clean up in there.
Yeah, I can see up in there. Yeah, that's it. I will use my light. My damn battery about to go down dead on my phone. But I just lost my sister Friday, man.
No.
Yeah, man. She
sorry
was
to hear that, bro.
yeah, no problem. I appreciate
See how
it.
dirty that is, man?
Yeah.
See, I gotta go ahead and clean that back. You know, get it cleaned up.
So let me ask you, if you don't take care of this property, all that stuff get into your damn water and shit when you bathing?
Well, pumping is bad.
Right.
Pumping the water is terrible. You know, like.
And mainly it's because people probably did half-ass jobs.
No. What is a lot of galvanized pipes.
Right.
You know, pumping the water is bad, but this ain't too bad though. This is the pipe that been here for years and years. That's the inside of it right there, so it's not that bad. But pumping the water is dirty. That's why what's the name? That water filtration place makes so much money, man.
Right.
Over there on 48th Street.
Gotcha.
Yeah. But we finna make this thing here look like man, we gonna turn this brand new, man. But what was up here, we had some lights, you know, those big lights, they was going all the way across.
Okay.
This way. And
Okay.
you can see where the old panel was at. That was covering all this up right here.
Mm-hmm.
You couldn't really see this before. Yeah, but we just, you know, we're gonna make everything brand new, re-drywall the whole thing, as you can see. You know.
I'm sorry, y'all, for me coming at nighttime. It's a little dark.
Yeah, we ain't got.
Bro, I got a couple weeks vacation coming up too, so I could be able to come, like, you know, even if it follow you, especially to the other property in Palm Beach.
Right.
I got time. I have time now.
Okay. Yeah, man, but we finna go ahead and we gotta put some fern strips. You see, I got some 1x3s over there, you know, and you know, we're gonna put some fern strips on the wall, you know, and then this wall here also, this is gonna get replaced. We're gonna replace this panel here, but this wall here is a little bit, there's something happened here back in the days. I don't know, but yeah, you can see like it's been some type of. It's two different walls. It's out of square or whatnot, but we know that's how we got the property. But I'm gonna put some more wood.
Do you happen to know how long, like this, like before you started working on it? How long was this here in place? Like centuries, decades? From the 50s. That's so. Yeah, this architect, guys. This is like from the 50s.
Look at the studs. They're not even studs. They're just pieces of wood that they just nailed together. These are like there's no straps on these or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So it's hard to get insurance on a property like this because there's no straps.
No type of safety.
No type of gusset plates and stuff like that. All that stuff is not in here. There's not even insulation up here. So you know how old that is.
So, and it's a good thing too, guys, when especially with Dutrick, I know he can appreciate what I'm about to say. When you be in properties like this, it really tell a story, because you have properties that's like from the 50s, late 40s, and it let you know what was used.
Cast iron plumbing.
Yeah, let you know what was used.
And you see how, you know, we use those, what they call this right here, dressing coupling, right? And that right there takes you from steel to copper.
Right.
You know?
So that's amazing, man. Just like, I don't know, it feel like a humbling experience when you come in, son, just to be, you know, even though everything may not be done right, but, you know, back then they probably didn't even have.
Look how old the wire is, man.
Right.
It's the one with the cloth wire. Some people say this wire has asbestos in it.
Right.
In some houses, they say it does have some of that wire. They say it's asbestos. But yeah, look up there. Well, you know, we're gonna rewire all that right there. Put some new stuff in. You know.
Well, there you have it, man. I'm back with Dutrick again. I gotta let him get back to work. It's already getting dark.
Right.
But I want y'all to stay tuned. Like I said, fellas. Well, guys, I don't say fellas because the women probably watch this too. Well, I'm gonna have a little time on my hands, so I'll be able to get with Dutrick on a more continuous basis, and we can get some more film in and stuff. And I can actually probably set up a little interview with him, so you know, you guys can see his background, you know, where he come from, and his passion and stuff like that. I think that'll be a good video as well. But in the meanwhile, we'll get with y'all and we'll see you at the next destination. Anything you want to say, Dutrick? All right.